I'm gonna show you how to adjust headlights on your 2007, and I'm pretty sure it's good for your 2007 to your 2011 Toyota Tundra. I didn't see it in the manual, but I'm pretty sure it's in there. But the first thing you want to do is pop your hood. And I'm looking at my truck, I already got my lights on. What you want to do here by the battery, and I'm gonna try to zoom in so you can see it. And right here, you'll see a little thing right here, and you could turn it with a 8mm socket, but mine was pretty easy to turn with my hand. So you can just get on there and you can just turn it. So I'm gonna turn it clockwise. And watch what happens if you can see here on my wall. And you got to make a lot of turns. As you can see, I'm turning clockwise, and you notice that that light is going down. Okay? So if I turn it counterclockwise, the light is gonna go back up. So counterclockwise, you adjust your lights up. And clockwise, you adjust them down. So if you see I'm still going counterclockwise, the light is going up. So that's where it's at. So if you look down here, you'll see that little turning device. I'm gonna zoom in, and it's like that on both sides. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.